What's going on? Back again. This is part 2. If you guys haven't checked out part 1, how to start a clothing brand, check that video and come to part 2. We give you all raw footage, no edits, just straight knowledge, man. So if you guys are new to my channel, please like, subscribe. We talk about entrepreneur, how to make money, clothing brands, anything you need to know, I'm giving it to y'all for free. All you gotta do is subscribe. So if you missed part 1, this part 2, clothing brands, you guys. Clothing brands. You want to start a clothing brand, right? You definitely want to start a clothing brand. So we're gonna get right to it. Websites is key. That's your baby. Is your website. You feel me? Like your baby is your website. You got to take care of your website. Make it juicy. You know what I'm saying? That is the main thing when you start a clothing brand. Your website is what you spending your money on. That's the main thing you need to focus on. So taking good pictures, grabbing good quality products, like as you see the jacket, you know, tattoos tell a story, you know, right? If you guys want to check that out, tap the link in my bio, or not link in my description. But you gotta have good quality, you know what I mean? So make sure your quality is A1. I know for me, I know like when I first started it, my quality wasn't all that good. So I was hearing complaints from customers saying, oh, when I wash it, it shriveled up a little bit and stuff like that. And a lot of that stuff I took as good criticism, and I went right back into the drawing board. I was like, you know what? I gotta get some good quality. So good quality, of course, is gonna be more money, but you're gonna have to charge more money for the profit, if you know what I'm saying. And that's definitely important, you know what I'm saying, is quality, because people want something that's you know, clothes can last a long time. You know, I have jeans for the last few years, a lot of years. A jacket like this can be a lifetime. You can pass this to your kids. So you want to make sure you got a good, very good quality. So another thing is, when we talked about part 1 is marketing. That's definitely a important factor. You guys can check out part 1, but another important factor is basically just the whole thing is quality. But another important factor is having people in your product, you know what I'm saying, like taking good pictures for your social media accounts, people wearing your clothes and stuff like that. It's all gonna help your brand awareness. Your impressions is gonna go up. Everything will go up when people are wearing it, you know what I'm saying. You can't just really have a mock-up of your clothes and then people are gonna see, is he getting sales, or anybody wearing this stuff? Like, why should I spend money on it? You see what I'm saying? So you gotta get people to wear your stuff. And you can get like customers that order, ask them, hey, can I take a picture? Or ask them, hey, can they send you a picture of them wearing your clothes? That would definitely, you know, help your brand and stuff like that, you know, starting off like that. So I know, like, for the key for a clothing brand is you kind of got to come up with different ideas every year as you pushing it on, like throughout the years and of everything like that. You kind of got to keep figuring out new brands, new logos, new like commercials, video content. Like this is video content. It's a lot of stuff you got to learn in clothing brand and stuff like that. So just to stay relevant, a lot of people, they start a clothing brand and then they give up a year or two. It doesn't make no sales, so they give up. If clothing brand is really what you want to do, the key is to never give up. You know, I say that a lot in my music's, never give up, because that's really the key to success. Because when you give up, it's like, all right, so what you gonna do? You're gonna go back to your regular job, or you're gonna just not chase your dreams, you're just not gonna chase your goals. And we not about that on this channel. You know, on this channel we encourage you to chase your dream, to go ahead and get it out there, to be something, to be somebody, man. That's just what it is, man. Like you're humans, man, with the ability to do anything you want if you put your mind to it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and gave you motivation and stuff like that. Please check out my other videos where I talk about how to make money and entrepreneurs. Give this video a like and drop a comment at the bottom of this video, man. You already know RAWINK TV. Peace.